Hello viewers, today I will introduce the long sleeve shirt, the brand of JILES, the France's famous briar brand. JILES is the original product. Here is the main level, here is the XL size, the cotton fabric. The shirt is very nice quality, and here is the shirt. This is a 5,000 piece shirt, long sleeve shirt. Here is more than 5-6 color more. I'll show you the care level. So if anyone need this type shirt, so please contact us. I'll show you the care level. See the franchise. So guys, if anyone need any product, any shirt like Lee, Wrangler, Izot, Nautica, Dockers, and also Bennetton, Levi's, Pull&Bear, any shirt, any stock shirt we have available in our factory. So keep watching my video and subscribe my channel, and thank you. Goodbye.